Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. This is Brian Reaction. So guys, if you're coming across my videos for the first time, if you are meeting any of my videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. To my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. So guys, I did a video about Jamaican men, and in that video those ladies were complaining about Jamaican men. So I have another video here for you guys from Jamaican men also. So in this video, it seems, people from outside, the tourists, people from other countries, they really love how Jamaican men operate. They are in love with how Jamaican men are treating them. So I want you guys to watch this video and I'll be back with a few reactions.
Tourist spills the tea on Jamaican men, #island romance.
On dating Jamaican men. Everybody wants to put their 2 cents in. Well, let me tell you about my 2 cents. Dating a Jamaican man, it ain't for the weak. You gotta have some thick skin and a strong heart. Let me explain. First of all, if you find you a nice, good Jamaican man, he's all about family and loyalty and trust. Yeah, man. He gonna love you to the end of the earth. No matter what you look like, if you're thin or fat, tall or short, skinny, thick, curvy, flat, he gonna love you and make you feel like you're the queen and make you feel so beautiful. Oh, they know how to compliment you now. They're gonna love bomb you. They're very family oriented. They love their family. So if they love you or trust you or even like you enough to take you to see the family, that's out of respect. So appreciate it. No matter what his reasons are, if you meet his family, that's big respect for you. So understand that. That's a big thing for him to take you to meet his family. Jamaican men are very confident in everything they do, whether they're a mechanic or a banker. When they flirt with you and love bomb you, every job they do, doesn't matter if he's a painter, doesn't matter what he does, they're confident in everything and flamboyant. They're over the top. So if you're a quiet, reserved person and you don't like attention, they're not for you, because you're going to get all the attention in the world and they're going to get attention everywhere you go because they're outspoken. They speak from the heart and they always laugh and joke with each other in their patois and tease each other and banter back and forth. So you got to get used to the language and learn the language, because most of the time he's just fooling you and joshing you and joking you around. So if you have thin skin, they're not for you. Jamaican men know how to cook, honey. They will go do a full day's work and still come home and cook you a full meal and then do the dishes and rub your feet. Oh yeah. Especially if you got you a good one. They love to cook. If you're a Jamaican man and you can't cook, you're not Jamaican. Let's get into the real deeds. Jamaican men are handsome as fuck. And they know it. Especially when they put on them skinny jeans, or if they have on all white or all black with them Air Force Ones. Baby, what gorgeous, beautiful brown skin. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I know the comments are gonna come. Love me some Jamaican men. I have one, but I love me some Jamaican men. Do. They're gorgeous and they know how to dress. When they take you out, they're not gonna go looking just any kind of way. They gonna get all the way clean, and they expect you to get clean. Now, if a Jamaican man approach you and you're not interested, you just say you're not interested. But if you're interested and you give this man your phone number, or you go together, you his woman now, If you just give him your phone number, you are now his woman. Especially if you let him come and stay the night. After y'all done had sex the first time, that's your husband. That's your husband. Y'all married, might as well give it up. You don't belong to nobody else but him. Like I said, they confident in everything they do. Everything. Jamaican men don't cheat. If they got the right one, they don't cheat. But if they're one, we call one of them hustlers, or them passport boys, or the beach boys, yeah. When you leave the country, you come here on vacation and you meet one, you have a wonderful time. Enjoy the time. True enough. Enjoy your vacation, sis. But just know when you leave, another one coming in your place. New woman every week. Now that's just for them hustlers and passport boys and beach boys. If you meet them at a hotel or a beach or in a tourist area, 9 out of 10 times, they're a beach boy or a passport boy. Not all of them. Not all of them are like that. But you'll know when you see them. You'll know who's who. And just enjoy it for what it is and keep moving. Like I said, if you got thin skin, Jamaicans is not for you. Hey, tell me in the comments something I've missed about Jamaican men that you know.
If you're a baddie and you're having a bad day, or you're feeling insecure, or you just broke up with a man, go to Jamaica and walk down the street. Walk down any street. It will immediately revitalize your confidence. Every time a Jamaican man sees a woman, he acts like it's his first time seeing a woman ever in his life. I think I just received a bumble clot. You get the point. And Jamaican men love all women. Slim, thick, even fat. If your belly is big, they say, don't worry, baby. It's just protecting your pum-pum. And let's not forget, they may not be good fathers, but they're great stepfathers. They will accept you with your children. They will cook for you. They will adore you. They will tell you things that you've never heard in your life. So if you are feeling sad, I encourage you, book the flight, come to Jamaica.
Great TikTok to tell you guys all of the things I have heard since walking down this beach in Jamaica right now. All of the lovely compliments the Jamaican men have been giving me. Let's start with, wow, I would play with them all day. As a greeting, by the way. I didn't even get a hello. Followed by, I got something big and long that I can give you. Very polite, very demure. Followed by, something big and strong can go in that mouth. Oh, and my favorite one has to be, come back here, I got something you can sit on. And that's just by walking from one end of the beach to the other. Right guys, just as we were walking back, I got one more. He's gonna bore a hole into my walls.
Machine! Me want breathe you.
Skeeta!
Brownie!
Tika!
Yo, mama, look goody. Big woman. Hey, big.
Yo, Jamaican people are the only people that could insult you and give you a compliment at the same time. The last time I was in Jamaica, this dude had stopped me and my baby father, and he was like, Bombad. He was like, your baby mother fat and nice. Like, excuse me, so why I can't just be nice? Then this one shop lady like, your belly big but your face pretty. Like, I don't know whether you're insulting me or giving me a compliment for real. Like, this one guy gonna tell my baby father, brother, you don't need no more. Look how you have plenty. Like, first of all, they be like, oi, fatty, you sweetie. Like, y'all, long story short, going to Jamaica being fat and pretty ain't for the weak. It's definitely a whole nother experience. All the men gonna love you. You're gonna get a ton of compliments. Some of the girls too, but they definitely gonna look at you with a little envy, but they get over it.
Winston turned to me and said, good pum pum deserves shelter. I started walking differently. I said, yes, it's true. You know, I started getting cocky. Started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true. Yeah. started getting cocky with it. Looked at all the skinny babes like, you guys look cold. You know,
a Jamaican man, a Nigerian man, a Paris man.
Jamaican.
Oh, that's the man you choose.
Kingston.
Why? Why do you like them? Because they have the King's thing? Why do you like Kingston?
Allowed to say it?
I mean, but you can say you like it because of the cucumba.
No, of course not. I'm very polite. I like it because they just have different vibes. You know. Okay. They know how to sing.
My brother's from Jamaica. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Are you boom?
How do you say this girl is so sexy in Italy?
Questa ragazza è molto sexy.
Yeah. Say it again one more time. I need to say it.
Questa ragazza è molto sexy.
Like you're talking about me, I didn't understand.
Say you're fat, pum pum fat. You know what I'm telling me?
This is what you say.
Yeah,
you can say it, you know.
Say love the fat pum pum and
I
tights, you know.
You know, in my country, but if in my country you come to say a woman something like that, hey, you see this one, you will see it from close, very close.
What? Kick?
She will kick you so hard. Yeah.
Tell her about pum pum.
Yeah.
That's why we Jamaican don't play.
How would you say the men are in America compared to Jamaica?
Oh, in Jamaica, they are very aggressive. They are straightforward. Come here, let me whisper something in your ear. And I'm like, what? You ever had your sucked? And I'm like...
A Jamaican said that?
I had to go. I was like, yeah, no.
Jamaican men will spot you and they won't even court you. They won't even like build up slowly. They will spot you and tell you that they want you to be their wife immediately. I have never met the biggest love bombers until I met a Jamaican man. Now tell me why I'm at a kid's birthday party and I see a little girl crying and instantly, mommy instincts click immediately. So I go and pick her up. I'm like, where's your mommy? She's like, oh, my mommy's not here, but my daddy is. So I'm comforting her because she's crying. So I think like one of the kids knocked her over. So I'm like, okay, let's go find daddy. Mind you, the dad was watching me the whole entire time from across the room. So I'm going up to people. I'm like, hey, like, do you guys know who her dad is? Hey, are you dad? Are you dad? The dad is just watching me, not saying a word. I turn the corner, I lock eyes with somebody, and he's like, I'm the dad. But he looking at me like in a seductive way. And so I didn't know it was really seductive yet. In my head, I thought he was looking at me like, why do you have my child? So I'm like, okay. So I walk over, and I hand him the child. I was like, one of the kids knocked her over, so she started crying. I think she just needed to be comforted. And then he looked at me, and he was like, you be a good stepmother. Huh? I said, oh, no. I already have two. I'm okay. He said, I said stepmother. And I said, no, sir. And I had to walk away. Okay?
Baby, let me tell y'all something. Being loved by a Jamaican man gonna be the best thing you have ever experienced in your whole entire life. But when I tell you, child, that shit ain't for the weak, it ain't for the motherfucking weak. Because this Jamaican man gonna love bomb you so much and it's gonna feel like heaven and the holy gates done flooded open for you in the beginning. But girl, make it even worse if it's long distance, child. Them niggas gonna have you feeling like you the problem. Because they the holiest thing that ever walked next to Jesus in his sandals on a Sunday morning. And they gonna take that same God off the cross and say they ain't doing it. It would never, could never be them. And I'm speaking from experience, child. Speaking from fucking experience. And see, I'm a sucker for love. I be acting all aggressive and shit, but I'm a real life lover girl. So I'm gonna be down for all the lovey-dovey shit. But one thing you need to know, you think you blood clot bad? Me badder. And you think them send you for me? Them send blood clot me for TMU. But anyways, go get you a Jamaican man. But just enjoy the time while it lasts. Because it ain't gonna be nothing but just some good sex and good temporary loving and some good food. Yeah, that's.
With a little belly and over your jaws, me like it. Me not like it woman them with six pack like them a blood clot man. you're alright with the little belly drop over your jaws. Me like them something there. Me like when little belly drop over jaws.
Let me tell you the maddest compliment I've ever received from a Jamaican man. I was sitting across from him, he was dreads, very handsome. He said, I love your smile. And I was like, okay, thank you. He was like, you know I like women with black gums. And I'm there. I was like, okay.
Yeah, but like it can get worse than that. Like when you go to Jamaica, I've heard them call girl, if you're Caucasian, one mango juice, like just because she's a tan. Like what are we doing here? And then the worst one, like obviously shout out West Green Road, like home of Jamaica. I've gone into the barber shop and a man said to a woman, boy, now you look good. Me want to climb in your bed in front of your parents. I said, what? You want to do what in front of who?
Good morning, my baby. What's up? What's poppin'? What's up? Yeah, right, you know, me not tell you, you never know, right, you know, because me not tell you, you're sexy in my blood clot. I tell you straight, look good. So me I deal with the boy, me have you can buy it up every day. Trust me, I don't want to be your pussycat. If you want me to be your man, me be your man. If you want me to be your pussycat, me be your pussycat. You know that nice to me. I tell you straight. He said if you live, he said your bedroom there upstairs, you have to go up the step. If your bedroom there, you have to go up the step. That is nice to me, because you what I want you to do. But I want you to sit on up at the top of the stage and throw all the whipped cream in your pum pum. I'm just a crawl come like a cat. And up and meow.
We don't want a spice, we have ice spice. Oh God. Girl, the body shape good. You feel like more picking some berries and giving them a feel in your mouth.
You make me thirsty. You make me thirsty. You make me thirsty. I'm good looking, you love cooking. Blood clot.
What is your name? You just say this like your name.
You want upstairs?
My name's Michelle.
Michelle,
Michelle, can you be my girl?
So me know.
So where you go?
Where you go, girl?
Yo. No, get in my clutch now.
I'm convinced a Jamaican man would never ask you to be their girlfriend. Y'all just exchanged numbers one day, and then you've been talking on the phone for a little bit, and he's done cooked for you. He done took you to a river party, took you to a street party, took you to a grave digging, took you to the beach, took you to the dead yard, done climbed a tree and got a coconut for you, picked some mangoes for you. Then you sit up here like, so what are we doing? What are we? And he look at you crazy. He's like, you're my woman. We can let me gonna breed you. So you're like, no, you haven't even asked me to be your girlfriend. So what do you talk about? I'm your woman. So ladies, if you give a Jamaican man your phone number, he start cooking for you and he start taking you places and he start spending money on you, you indeed are his girlfriend. There's no explanation. So don't get the wrong idea and just know what you're getting yourself into.
Something about y'all Jamaican men, I'm not gonna lie, y'all give big dick energy. I'm not even gonna lie. Because y'all know how to talk y'all way into pussy and into a bitch heart at the same fucking time. In the first link, that nigga's gonna be talking about marrying you, bitch. These Jamaican men are crazy ass motherfuckers. Like, they territorial as fuck. Like, they obsessed with you in real life. If you fuck with a Jamaican man, you know that man loved the fuck out of you, okay? Like, and I know because I'm fucking with one right now. That man is crazy. But crazy in love. That's the thing. Crazy in love. Yeah, I love it. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't know. Something like, ooh, I don't know, but I love my Jamaican man. I love Jamaican men, but I love my Jamaican man. Shout out to my daddy or whatever. Cause like, yeah.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched that full clip. So I did a video about Jamaican men, the first video about Jamaican men. And in that video, I think most of those ladies were Jamaican. So they were saying that Jamaican men are not good. They gave out some of the characteristics of Jamaican men, and let me just remind you. So some of them was that Jamaican men, they cheat a lot. They are the greatest cheaters we have. They cheat a lot. Now, The second one is that they are good in lying. They lie a lot. They are liars. The third, they say that their ego is so high. So Jamaican men, they really have ego. And they also say that Jamaican men, they will promise you the world. They will treat you very well only just to trap you. So they have a way of getting into women. They can promise you the world. They will tell you good things. They will promise you a lot of things, but they're just trying to trap you. So those were some of the characteristics of Jamaican men on the first video I did. They were so bad. And my Jamaican men came online and they were saying that those allegations were not true. They don't have those characteristics. So now I have a video for you here. You have watched that video of now people, the tourists, especially these are the tourists, the outsiders who have come out, some of the people have received, the goodness of Jamaican men. So it seems, as I said before, we will always have two sides. There are some people who have met Jamaican men and they have had bad experience with Jamaican men, which is common. And I know there are some people who are dating Jamaican men, who are married to Jamaican men, and Jamaican men are so good. They are living very happy life. They are enjoying being with Jamaican men. So we will always have, two sides of this story. It depends with who you met. So Jamaican men, in this case, I can now say that Jamaican men are not bad, because in this video you have seen how these people are trying to talk about Jamaican men. So in this video we have other characteristics of Jamaican men. So let me say these people, they met the good Jamaican men. So let me say we have the bad Jamaican men and we have the good ones, or I don't know how I can put it. And by the way, you have heard the story of that lady. Ladies from outside Jamaica, if you are having a bad day, you have just broken up with your man, things are not flowing with your husband or all that, she has told you, come to Jamaica. Come to Jamaica and try a Jamaican man. Okay, ladies, that one is for you. So Jamaican men on this video, they are saying that they love all types of women. They are not choosy. Whether you are tall, whether you are short, whether you are fat, whether you are thick, Jamaican men, they're not that choosy. They will love you the way you are. They will take care of you the way you are. So they're not those type of men who are choosy. Okay, that's the point number one, according to Jamaican men, according to these ladies in this video. Now, number two is that they may not be good fathers. By the way, they say that Jamaican men on the other video, they say that they're not good, to bear children with, because they are lazy and all that. They will not take care of your children. So here is another point. They may not be good fathers. So, which means this point proves the other video, right? But the good thing about them is that they can love you with your children. They will love you, they will take care of you, they will marry you with your children. And they may not be good fathers, so kind of tricky in this case, because if you're not a good father, I don't know how you will take care of, someone's children when you're on. You cannot even take care of your own. So I don't know what this lady really meant in this, on her statement about this situation whereby they are good fathers. They're not good fathers, but they can marry you with your children. So kind of confusing there. Now, another point is that they are romantic. They will cook for you. Yeah, they will cook for you Jamaican food. We all know Jamaican food is the best. It's the most tastiest food we have on the planet. So people really love Jamaican food. And it seems their men can also cook. Okay, so they can cook very, very well. They will cook for you. They will treat you nicely. They will feed you. They will do everything for you. So in this case, I can say they are very romantic. We all know how ladies love romantic men. So Jamaicans, they have that character. They are romantic men. So hope that point is home. Now, another one is that he is all about family, loyalty, and trust. Yeah, according to this point in the video number one, they say that Jamaican men, they are liars, they cheat, and they have ego. But according to the ladies in this video, they are saying that Jamaican men are very loyal. They are all about family. They love family. They are family men. And they are trust people. You can trust them. They are good people. People you can trust. and they are very very confident. So tourists going to Jamaica have been saying that when you go to Jamaica, when you're just walking around the street, you're just walking across the street minding your own business, and you meet a Jamaican man, when you're having a bad day, you have a bad mood, and you meet a Jamaican man, it will spice up your day and make sure that you are having the greatest day ever. So they have said that Jamaican men will not leave you, bored. They are good for company. So in this video, Jamaican men have it all. Jamaican men, I want to see you in the comment. I have a video for you. I hope you guys saw that video. If you didn't see that video, I want you to go and watch that video. So the ladies in that video, they were saying that you guys, are not good for marriage, are not good for dating. You guys are just not good. But at least in this video, you have credits. They're saying that you are the best people, the best men a woman can, mingle with, marry, date, and all that. So in the comment section, you can tell me what you think about this video. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Until my next clip, one love.